Hello everyone, welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we are going to break down one particular topic from the newspaper into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper. So come read it with me. Now the topic is new fund to protect tropical forest and why it is being criticized. See, a new fund to protect the tropical forest has been introduced and it is a new international fund aimed at conserving tropical forest. It mentions the controversy around it. In the lead paragraph, a new fund has been named TFFF, has been launched at COP30. We have already created a video on this. Please go check it out. And this fund is to protect the world's tropical forest. It aims to reward nations that have successfully protected the forest. Now, the fund creator is Brazilian President Luiz Lula da Silva, who announced it as a part of his climate leadership agenda. Now, Brazil wants to be seen as a global leader in environment protection, so that is why this is happening. And now the next headline is, why has the TFFF been launched? So economically, dead forests are more valuable than standing ones. Okay, for instance, the benefits of standing forests such as temperature reduction and wildlife habitats are taken for granted. So that's what it has been talking about. Now it plans to raise $250 billion from both public and private sources to pay countries that conserve tropical forests. It shows ambition and scale of that initiative. TFF's principle is countries with tropical forests will receive payments based on their performance in preventing deforestation. Now, a result-based payment mechanism is what is being introduced. And what are the concerns has also been covered in this. One of the biggest concerns with the TFF is that it is too vulnerable to the volatility of financial markets. This is because it plans to invest bonds in developing nations and have historically been prone to fluctuations. Now, there are key takeaways as well. Now let's talk about the key takeaways. Economically, dead forests are often more valuable than standing ones. We've already talked about this. By incentivizing preservation, TFFF seeks to change that. Critics say, however, that the fund is too vulnerable to volatility in financial markets and further dilutes the legal obligation of developed countries for climate action. Now, this is very relevant for UPSC perspective. How? For GS paper 3, it is a very important, which is environment, conservation, climate change. For GS paper 2, it is very important, which is international relations, because global environment and governance has been done. So that is what it is. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.